Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a topic that has the potential to revolutionize per-sale marketing for online businesses. I call this a secret weapon because when used correctly, it can yield incredible benefits. Grab your favorite drink, sit down, and let's get started. Imagine this. You're scrolling through your social media feed while drinking your morning coffee and suddenly come across an ad. We promise a way to make money without any upfront investment. Sounds appealing. This is exactly what pay-per-sale marketing is all about. But wait, before we dig deeper, I'd like to let you in on a little secret. When I started this game, I felt like a lost puppy in a maze of affiliate links. I mean, who doesn't love a good maze? But seriously, I had no idea. And that's when I realized I needed a secret weapon. Humor and vulnerability go hand in hand. Let's be honest. We've all been drowned in information overload and wondered if we could crack the code. But fear not. Today I'm going to reveal a secret weapon that changed the game for me. Okay, let's keep this short. Cost per sale marketing, also known as cost per sale marketing, means that you only get paid when your customer's bank account goes cha-ching. There are no initial costs, only results. But well, the results don't grow on trees. We will show you the correct way to sow seeds. You and I are both sitting on a comfy couch with a cup of chai in hand. Like a chatty neighbor, I'll spell it out for you. No jargon, no fancy suits, just two friends talking about shopping. Ready? Let's roll. All right, buckle up. Imagine our friend, the solar panel blogger. She's all about living green, saving the planet, and wearing eco-friendly sunglasses. She works at a solar panel company. Together, they're like Batman and Robin, saving the world one ray of sunshine at a time. Finally, seriously give him a little hint of love by hitting the like button. And comment below.